little explorers. Are you ready for an exciting adventure today? Today, I have a super special story to share with you. It's a tale filled with hope, perseverance, and the magic of never giving up. It's all about never giving up, even when things seem really tough. Sometimes, life throws challenges our way, but with a little determination, we can overcome anything. Imagine you're a little bird named Beaky. Beaky is a small, cheerful bird who loves to explore and build things. But recently, Beaky has had a rough week. He faced many obstacles that made him feel down. First, he lost his favorite twig, the one he always used to start building his nest. Then he had trouble finding the right materials to build his nest. Every twig he found seemed to break or be too heavy to carry. Everything seemed so hard, and Beaky felt really sad. He wondered if he would ever be able to build his cozy home. But guess what? Beaky didn't give up. He decided to keep trying no matter how difficult things seemed. He kept fluttering his wings and searching for twigs. He flew over fields, through forests, and even braved the wind to find the perfect materials. And one sunny morning, he found the most beautiful twig ever. It was shiny and strong, just what he needed. It was shiny and perfect for his nest. Beaky felt a surge of hope and excitement. With that twig, Beaky worked hard, and slowly his nest started to look amazing. He carefully placed each twig, weaving them together with patience and care. He felt proud and happy. His nest was finally coming together, and it was even better than he had imagined. He realized that even though things were tough, they didn't stay tough forever. With perseverance, he could achieve his dreams. So, my little friends, remember Beaky the bird whenever you're having a hard day. Life can be challenging, but if you keep trying and never give up, you can overcome anything. Just like Beaky, if you keep trying and never give up, sunny days will come after the rain. The sun will shine again, and you'll find your own beautiful twig. You can do it. Believe in yourself and keep pushing forward. Keep flying high and never stop reaching for the twigs. Your dreams are within reach if you just keep trying. Until our next adventure, bye-bye. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow and shine.